Did you know that your morning cup of coffee could be linked to a technological revolution that's reshaping the world? It might sound surprising, but it's true. Today, we're going to uncover the secret behind this revolution, the force known as Industry 4.0. But don't worry, we won't be diving into complex jargon or confusing concepts. Instead, we'll unravel this fascinating transformation in simple, relatable terms, allowing you to grasp the profound changes happening all around us. So, grab that coffee, get comfy, and let's explore the intriguing world of Industry 4.0. The Fourth Industrial Revolution, often referred to as Industry 4.0, represents a significant leap forward in the world of technology and industry. Just a few years ago, the term Industry 4.0 was virtually unheard of in Google searches. But by 2019, it had become a top strategic priority for 68% of respondents in a McKinsey global survey. This rapid rise in interest is a testament to the profound impact that Industry 4.0 is expected to have on businesses and society as a whole. To understand the Fourth Industrial Revolution, it's essential to look back at its predecessors. The first Industrial Revolution was powered by steam, the second by electricity, and the third by automation and machinery. Now, Industry 4.0 is being shaped by cyber-physical systems and intelligent computers. At its core, Industry 4.0 builds upon the digital revolution that spanned from the 1950s to the early 2000s, introducing a new wave of transformative technologies that extend beyond what was previously thought possible. These technologies can be broadly categorized into the following foundational types: connectivity, data, and computational power. This category includes technologies like cloud computing, the internet, blockchain, and sensors. These tools enable the seamless flow of data, providing businesses with unprecedented insights and decision-making capabilities. Analytics and intelligence. Advanced analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence are at the heart of Industry 4.0. These technologies empower companies to process and analyze vast amounts of data, driving automation, optimization, and predictive capabilities. Human-machine interaction. Virtual reality, augmented reality, robotics, and automation are transforming the way humans and machines collaborate. These technologies enhance productivity, safety, and efficiency across various industries. Advanced engineering, additive manufacturing, renewable energy sources, and nanotechnology are revolutionizing traditional manufacturing processes and sustainability efforts. These advancements open up new possibilities for product design and resource utilization. However, technology is just one side of the Industry 4.0 equation. To thrive in this revolution, companies must also invest in their workforce. This involves upskilling and reskilling employees to align with the evolving skill demands of the digital era. Upskilling helps employees acquire new skills relevant to their current roles, while reskilling is more comprehensive, preparing workers for entirely new positions within organizations. The importance of reskilling varies by region. In Europe, 94% of executives believe in prioritizing reskilling, whereas in the US, only 62% share this view. The process of skill transformation typically involves three phases: scouting the skills required to achieve a company's goals, shaping talent development programs to address skill gaps, and implementing training mechanisms at scale. This revolution, indeed, is being driven by a suite of transformative technologies that are reshaping the way businesses operate. These technologies are at the heart of the revolution, enabling smart manufacturing and opening up new possibilities for efficiency, productivity, and innovation. Here are some of the key technologies driving Industry 4.0. Internet of Things, or IoT. Imagine a factory where every machine and device has its own digital voice, constantly sharing information with each other. These devices have sensors that enable them to talk, and this chatter forms a symphony of data. This not only allows for real-time monitoring, but also helps predict when machines need maintenance, reducing costly downtime. It's like the machines have become coworkers, collaborating seamlessly to keep the factory running smoothly. Cloud computing. Think of the cloud as the brain behind Industry 4.0. It's like having a supercomputer that can process vast amounts of data from different parts of your business simultaneously. With the cloud, companies can instantly access information, whether it's a design file from an engineer on the other side of the world or sales data from a remote office. It's like having a magical portal to your entire business, making decisions faster and smarter. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is like having a digital assistant that never sleeps. It learns from every piece of data it encounters and helps you make sense of it all. For manufacturers, this means having machines that can predict when they're about to break down and fix themselves before anything goes wrong. It's like having a factory filled with machines that have a sixth sense. Edge computing. You have a security guard at the entrance of your factory who can instantly recognize and respond to any suspicious activity without needing to call for backup. That's what edge computing does for Industry 4.0. It's like giving your machines on the factory floor the power to make quick decisions in real time, ensuring safety and efficiency. Cybersecurity. Think of cybersecurity as a shield protecting your digital kingdom. Just as knights used armor to defend their castles, you need robust cybersecurity to safeguard your factory. It's the guardian that keeps cyber threats at bay, ensuring that your data and operations remain safe and uninterrupted. Digital twin. Imagine having a virtual clone of your factory. It's not a static model, but a dynamic, real-time reflection of what's happening on the shop floor. You can experiment with new production processes, simulate changes, and fine-tune your operations without any risk. It's like having a crystal ball that lets you see the future of your factory before making decisions. These technologies aren't just tools. They're your partners in the fourth industrial revolution. They empower you to connect, analyze, learn, protect, and simulate, ultimately revolutionizing the way you do business. Industry 4.0 is not just a technological shift, it's a transformation that will have a profound impact on the global economy. Here's how it's shaping the economic landscape. Positive cash flow changes. According to McKinsey, companies that are frontrunners in adopting Industry 4.0 technologies can expect a remarkable 122% positive cash flow change by 2025. These forward-thinking companies are likely to see substantial economic gains from their investments in AI and advanced technologies. In contrast, follower companies may experience a more modest 10% cash flow change, while those failing to adopt AI could face a 23% downturn. Workforce evolution. The impact of Industry 4.0 extends to the workforce. As automation and AI become more prevalent, the skills demanded by employers are shifting significantly. Traditional manual skills are giving way to technological skills like coding, as well as complex cognitive and social and emotional skills. The demand for physical and manual skills in repetitive tasks is expected to decline by nearly 30%, while the demand for technological skills could raise by over 50%. Value creation. Industry 4.0 is poised to create substantial value for manufacturers and suppliers. By 2025, it is estimated that the potential value creation from Industry 4.0 could reach a staggering $3.7 trillion. This value encompasses increasing efficiency, reduced cost, and enhanced product quality. As for the industries being transformed by Industry 4.0, it's important to note that virtually every sector will undergo changes, but the degree and nature of transformation will vary. Accelerated transformations. Some industries are quickly adopting inexpensive digital, augmented reality, and automation solutions, regardless of their existing tech infrastructures. These solutions offer immediate benefits and minimal transitional challenges. Differential transformation. The speed of technology adoption varies based on the existing tech infrastructure of companies. Those with a strong foundation in IT, operations technology, and data infrastructure are better equipped for rapid implementation. Slowed or deferred transformation. In industries where cutting-edge innovations require significant capital expenditure and have unclear long-term payback, adoption will be slower. These sectors may wait for more compelling business cases before embracing the latest technologies. Operationally intensive sectors like manufacturing, transportation, and retail are experiencing some of the most significant changes due to their reliance on tasks that are ripe for automation and digitalization. McKinsey's analysis suggests that up to 58% of work activities in these sectors could be automated with current technology. On the other hand, sectors like education are expected to undergo the least change during Industry 4.0, with only 25% of their work activities considered automatable. Overall, Industry 4.0 is reshaping industries, economies, and the way we work, offering both opportunities and challenges for businesses and society at large. In short, Industry 4.0 isn't just a revolution. It's an economic powerhouse, reshaping industries and redefining success. To remain competitive, businesses must boldly embrace this transformative wave of innovation.